Alright guys, 90-day economy, 5 cards, got a pretty good feeling about some of these. Let's see what we got. This is a 2018 Bowman Shohei Ohtani. PSA 9. About what I thought. I was hoping for a 10. A little bit off center. Left to right there. And sweet, the red looks good with the uniform. This is a 89 Bowman Griffey. Hope to get a 9. 8. Sounds about right. That thing had a couple edges on it. Centering was pretty good though. 8. I'll take it. Not looking to resell that. 2006 Ben Wallace. Hoping for a 9 on this. Holy shit. Here's a 10. Look at that beaut. That might be the only one of those. Wow, there you have it. Gem Mint 10. 20th anniversary. Ben Wallace, number 18. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going on eBay. Take a look for it. Same set, Jordan. Oh, give me another 10, Jordan. I'm gonna keep you either way. 9. I'll take it. That's beautiful. Look at that thing. Last but not least, same set. Kobe. I know this one had a corner, bottom left. I'd love to get a 9. Probably an 8. 7. That's okay. That's for the personal collection. Label looks good with the red. PSA 7. Centering's a little off. Little corner down there. You guys probably can't see it. That's it. That's a success. 90-day submission got back to me in less than 30 days. Look for a big Mr. Wallace on eBay if anybody's interested. I know that card's pretty hard to find. Never seen a Gem Mint one. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Well, talk to you next time. Bye.